Hey everyone, Mark again. Everyone has a dream, a vision, a calling, but finding it is the hardest thing that you will ever do in your life. So, I gathered advice from 4 different professionals in their fields in order to understand more about what we can do to find that passion. Let's go! Number 1. Charlie Parker, a British film producer, has made a visualization exercise to help creative minds cut past the doubt and figure out what it is that they're truly passionate about. This is how. Start by closing your eyes. Imagine looking in a mirror. Make eye contact with yourself. This is a magic mirror. Crossing to the other side, you visit the alternate universe there. You begin to explore. While there, you get a call. The news is, Earth will be destroyed in 2 weeks. Knowing this, what would you miss? For Charlie Parker, this was movies. He went over this situation many times in his head, and upon realizing this, he decided that he would become a film producer. And with that, he's been listening to that inner voice and has found the idea, the thing that he wanted to do all along. Number 2. Adam Leipzig, a former executive at Disney and the current CEO of Entertainment Media Partners, came up with a list of practical questions to help the analytical mind understand what it is that you are doing and how that will bring you happiness. Let's go over those questions. For these answers, try to simplify down to 1 to 3 words to make it easier for you in the end. Who are you? What do you do? What are you so good at that you would be qualified to teach it to somebody else? Who do you do it for? What do they want or need? How do they change as a result of what you give? Focusing on the last 3 questions in this list is what Adam Leipzig said would actually provide the most happiness to someone's life. So, working backwards, he gave a few examples on what you could make with this exercise. One of which was this. I help people look and feel their best. I design apparel for men and women who need affordable choices so they can look and feel their best. So what do you think so far? Have you got an idea? Or maybe you're just starting to understand a little more about yourself and what you want to do. These first 2 exercises have been great because we get to have activities to probe our mind and understand what we want. But now we're going to go into 2 more professionals and their advice. And these have to do with the mindset of achieving the goals that you want. Why don't we go check them out? Before we go on to the next 2, I would appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to show you want more content like this. We always love hearing from you, so comment too. Thanks in advance. Now let's get back into it. Number 3. Terry Trespasio in her TED Talk, Stop Searching for Your Passion, reasons that passion is not a plan, it's a feeling, and feelings change. As a result, we shouldn't restrict ourselves to the idea that one job or hobby will certify our lifelong satisfaction. Make the most of what you are currently interested in, solve problems as they come, and reach for the opportunities that arrive when you are willing and able to. Finally, number 4. Spencer Taggart, an experienced entrepreneur who has established numerous businesses and has taught in universities in Hawaii and Utah, taught that the best way to obtain success is by defining it yourself. The next best thing is being proactive and open-minded to change in order to create a foundation where you get to live life on your terms. So, whether you're a creative mind or an analytical mind, and you like to think rationally, the first step to becoming successful and finding your direction in life starts when you imagine it. Imagine what you can't live without. Then go through the questions on who you are, what you give to who, and what your impact is. Then take that chance to become flexible, disciplined, and ready to live life in the way that you want. It all starts right now. Good luck, everybody. Have a great day.